Welcome back to the Next Generation Car channel. What happens when raw power, classic muscle, and futuristic design collide? You get this, the 2026 Ford Torino, a bold resurrection of an icon, reborn to dominate the roads once again. Before we dive under the hood and around every curve of this beast, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with every muscle car fan you know. Let's ride into the future with the spirit of the past. The front end of the 2026 Ford Torino screams muscle heritage but with a modern bite. Just take a look at that bold, squared-off fascia, flanked by quadruple circular LED headlights, tucked beneath aggressive eyebrows. The wide grille is jet black, with a honeycomb pattern that suggests both airflow and menace. The hood, a monster in itself, fitted with a carbon fiber scoop and functional heat extractors that hint at the beast underneath. Every detail serves a purpose. The chin splitter, reinforced by aluminum struts, reduces lift and increases grip. Painted in metallic emerald green with matte black accents, the Torino's front end doesn't just look fast, it dares you to catch it. Slide to the side and you're greeted by sheer performance artistry. The 2026 Torino sits wide and low, with a stance that's pure aggression. Pronounced wheel arches host massive blacked-out forged wheels, wrapped in ultra-low-profile tires. Aerodynamic side skirts sweep the air while complementing the bulging fenders, a clear nod to the drag strip legends of the 70s. But Ford didn't just go retro, they brought the Torino into the future with smooth panel transitions, hidden door handles, and carbon aero accents. Vents behind the front wheels are fully functional, channeling hot air out and giving the side profile a mean, track-ready demeanor. Now let's talk about that rear. The 2026 Ford Torino's backside is perhaps its most futuristic element. Gone is the boxy muscle rear end. In its place is a seamless contoured tail that blends aerodynamic function with style. A full-width LED light strip serves as the taillight, cutting through the rear like a glowing blade. A sharp ducktail spoiler, dual diffuser fins, and massive quad exhaust tips complete the look. It's aggressive, aerodynamic, and unmistakably modern. Yet if you squint, you can still see the shadow of the classic Torino taillight design. Ford struck a masterful balance here. Step inside, and you'll see the cabin is where retro DNA meets digital age comfort. The Torino's dashboard combines classic analog-style dials with a customizable digital cluster. Leather-wrapped bucket seats with green contrast stitching provide support and nostalgia in equal parts. A large floating infotainment display dominates the center stack, seamlessly integrating Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford's latest sync system. Ambient lighting, aluminum accents, and carbon fiber trim line the interior with race-inspired sophistication. And yes, the gear shifter is a real stick for those who live for the tactile thrill. Sound system? Bang & Olufsen. Materials? Top-notch. And the panoramic roof gives the cabin an airy, futuristic vibe without compromising its muscle car intimacy. Underneath that sculpted hood lies the heart of the new muscle legend. The 2026 Ford Torino packs a 6.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, rumored to push out an earth-shaking 780 horsepower and 720 lb-ft of torque. All that raw power is sent to the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, or an optional 6-speed manual for purists. With a 0 to 60 time projected at just 3.2 seconds, this isn't just a tribute car, it's a track weapon. Thanks to an adaptive magnetic suspension and carbon ceramic brakes, the Torino is just as confident in corners as it is in a straight line. Whether you're burning rubber or cruising the highway, This engine brings thunder with every rev and gives you the kind of drama only true American muscle can deliver. So, what does it cost to bring this legend home? The 2026 Ford Torino starts at around $72,000, but fully loaded with the performance and aero packages, you're looking at $95,000 to $100,000. It's not cheap, but then again, legends never are. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone craving raw performance and retro soul, this machine is worth every penny. The 2026 Ford Torino isn't just a revival, it's a statement. It honors its roots while rewriting the future of American muscle. From its ferocious V8 engine to its futuristic yet familiar design, it doesn't whisper nostalgia, it shouts it in wide-open throttle. If you're as hyped as we are about this modern muscle masterpiece, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another gear-slamming update from our channel. Until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and keep the legend alive.